Hi guys, it's Meg again. Guess what we're gonna do today? I know some of you already know how to tie your shoes, but some of us don't. All of us take it at a different time and it takes a little longer. We do it at different ages. No big deal. But no, regardless, if you already know how to tie your shoe or you don't know how to tie your shoe, I'm gonna teach you a faster, more efficient way. It's really easy. So even if you know how to tie your shoes, this is a cool video that's coming up. Here is my shoe. You're gonna need really long shoelaces though in order to do this video. Don't use really tiny ones. And you don't wanna be wearing your shoes when you get ready to do it. Put it on your lap, put something inside it to hold the shoe down, okay? That way you'll know that when you go to tie something, your shoe won't come up like that. So you're gonna probably put something heavy in there, rock or something. Anyway, or black. What we're gonna do is have a video coming up next. It's going to teach you a really cool, what I call magical way of tying your shoes, easier than you've ever done before. Easy peasy. So please, even if you already know how to tie your shoes, check out this video. And if you don't know how to tie your shoes, you are going to be lucky because you didn't have to learn that old way. So go for it and let me know how it turns out. Take care and good luck tying those shoes.